Bang. So yeah, then you close the starboard jib sheet, but that's going to be one of the next moves is easing it back out. And so you can, you know, if you started cranking on the furling line without easing the sheet,
yeah, I'll straighten it out.
You've got some play, right? Yeah. And so a lot of times I'll do that just so I'm not trying to do too much. You know, if she's still down there trying to call the marina to get a docking spot, or calling a different marina because the spot we thought we had a reservation for didn't happen.
Right. Well, that's, I can kind of trim that sail this way too, yeah?
Exactly, and that's another thing I was going to
So
say.
if we're coming, I mean, we're starting to get on a broad reach, so I want it out, but yeah, I mean, if we were coming up close reach, I can use this to
which
trim
is a great time because right as you're heading up, you're getting more apparent wind. Well, more apparent wind is maybe time to reef, right? So instead of just trimming it in, you just run. Because I would say you're going to have, if you're sailing upwind, you're rarely, so you can kind of stay, and that's that idea of just trying to be 2 moves ahead, 3 moves ahead.
Now she's getting me thinking.
Not a bad thing. It's good. You just got to get over the solar panels.
Okay. Ken, what are you looking for?
Don't you feel like that trimaran, that's not where he was before?
It seems like he's either moved or
Drug.
or one of these other boats has moved.
All right, we're looking for an anchorage. Yeah, well, there's this whole huge open field.
I'm going to try and go on that same area that we were at before, but right out here in the middle.
Perfect.
I'm going to go anchor next to the boat I just positively identified as dragging anchor.
No, I'm going to go up here towards shore from. I'm going to try and put up pretty much in the same spot off that white mooring pole. I'm going to go forward to that just a little bit.
Okay.
And we're going to drop anchor.
We're dropping anchor.
Hope for the best.
Let the